Forests. When we talk about the forests of South America, we often imagine a forest with tall trees and dense canopy that stretches for miles and miles. But among the grasslands and open plains of Uruguay, there's another type of forest. The forests that follow the rivers of Uruguay might appear quiet and small, but the value they hold for the landscape is immense.
Hi, I'm Hannah, and I'm a Darwin leader from Canada. I'm here in Uruguay hoping to learn more about the native riparian forest, so I hope you'll join me and we'll see what we can find out.
Riparian forests are the forests that exist along waterways. In Uruguay, riparian forests can be nestled along the banks of headwaters or as a buffer between lowland plains of rivers and the grasslands. On first glance, these forests are small. They sit low to the ground and are made of slow-growing tree and shrub species. They hold an understated charisma. And to fully understand the value of riparian forests, you need to look closer.
Los bosques ocupan cerca de solo un 5% del país, pero a pesar de eso, albergan una enorme cantidad de especies. Creo que es casi como el 70-80% de los mamíferos usan los bosques como hábitat, a un porcentaje similar las aves, obviamente las especies leñosas, ¿no? Los árboles, obviamente el 90 y tanto % viven en este ambiente. También como 40-50% de las especies de anfibios también viven en los bosques. O sea que a pesar de ser un hábitat poco distribuido, tiene una relevancia muy importante como hábitat para la diversidad de especies de Uruguay.
But only 5% of the land area of Uruguay is forest or wooded savanna, and less than half of that is intact native riparian forest. The quality and coverage of these native riparian forests is decreasing. Urban and agricultural expansion are converting original forest to city or to modified grassland. One of the biggest risks to the quality and integrity of native riparian forest in Uruguay is the invasion of exotic species. In this project, I ask, what risks do invasive exotic species pose to the native riparian forest? In asking this, we may start to understand what exactly we stand to protect when we conserve the native riparian forest. In the next episode, we will more closely explore the particular dangers and challenges that exotic species pose to riparian forest in Uruguay.